everybody. Welcome back. This is the end of our stream for today. So we've done a lot today, but trust me, there's going to be a whole lot more tomorrow. What I want to do is I want to take a moment, recap everything that's happened today, kind of set the stage for tomorrow. So we started out today. We kind of did a kickoff over in the game day tent. We talked about game day, what it is, and all the fun stuff that was happening over there, watching all these people try and run their unicorn business. Then we did Lambda. We talked about some of the new features of Lambda, which are code deploy support, the weighted aliases and traffic shifting, and the Canary deployments, and then SAM too, right?
Yeah, the support for SAM. Yeah, that's pretty awesome because people can start using it right away.
Then we had EFS file sync launch here. We got to see Twitch droplets, or drops. Sorry, not droplets. We had a preview of AppSync for mobile.
That's big.
Yeah,
that's
huge,
managed
seriously. GraphQL, which is fantastic.
I mean, that's awesome.
One of the things that I know about the architecture of it, because I was actually kind of chatting with the team previously, that I didn't hear mentioned in this Twitch stream. What I really wanted to talk about was how there's like a resource model.
Yeah.
So there's like a layer that you define, like a velocity template or otherwise, that sits between what you are trying to get from either Elasticsearch or DynamoDB or Lambda or whatever you're trying to get access to, you just define the transform.
That's right.
And then you get it in GraphQL.
Right.
It's pretty amazing that you could do that and then talk to like all those different resources.
And think about it, it handles online and offline.
Offline, yes. Yeah,
so it does conflict resolutions, which is pretty cool, right? So it's pretty nice.
It's an exciting thing. EFS sync is interesting too, but I haven't had to use EFS since I quit my enterprise job.
We also had a really great chat with the Sumerian team.
The Sumerian team, after I ruined their demo on Monday, was able to successfully demo their product today. That was really fun. I think that's a really cool product. I'm excited about some of the integrations with Lambda that you can do and with Poly and stuff like that with the SSML. I was actually talking with their GM today, and I was thinking we might incorporate a demo I've been working on into Sumerian with like some 3D geography and all kinds of cool stuff.
Another thing that was launched is Amazon MQ.
That's really cool.
That's big for our enterprise customers, for customers that like to have distributed systems. Message passing is big, right? It's used all over the place. And now we can use Amazon MQ for that. So.
We had some fun guest visitors today. Yeah. I believe Werner stopped by, said hello.
Jumping up on stage, as is his want.
Crushing the party.
And let me say, Werner gave some advice today that was withhold on the alcohol intake until the sessions are over. And I would advise to follow that advice. It's a very long conference. There's a lot of really fun stuff coming, and you want to be at your best to be able to kind of consume it all.
Yeah, it's not a sprint through reInvent. It's definitely a marathon to make it through till Thursday.
Yeah. So I hope everybody will be there on Thursday because I hear the party's going to be pretty amazing. What else did we do today?
Well, look at the people around, right?
Yeah, I mean, this kicked off about an hour ago, and it's getting busier and busier by the minute. So people are going around, networking, having drinks,
I love
grabbing free swag.
So many people there, and it's just unbelievable. I've been here I think in my fourth time. Every time I'm like totally amazed by the number of people that come here. It's great. Someone wanted to come and say hi on stage.
People eagerly trying to get onto the Twitch stream. We don't blame them. Well, what about tomorrow? What's coming up on the Twitch stream?
Well, a lot of stuff, right?
Well, what can we talk about?
Well, there are a couple announcements. Launches happening here exclusively.
Just a few.
Yeah.
Just a few.
So you really need to tune in really and follow that. We're gonna start with the keynote recap in the morning.
Bright and early. I think that'll be right around 10:50 a.m. We're gonna recap all of the announcements in the keynote, and then I think we're gonna have Twitch on again tomorrow. We're gonna have a discussion about artificial intelligence and machine learning briefly, and then everything else is just top secret.
Wow,
that's right. We can't tell you otherwise.
Exciting.
We need to kill you all.
I mean, that's one of my favorite ones right here. Have you seen this one's pretty sweet?
Awesome.
That's pretty great.
Wow.
It's going to be a busy day tomorrow.
You'd better come, really. You better be online. It's cool.
So what I want to do is I want to say thank you all for joining and participating today. everyone who's been moderating in Twitch chat.
Yeah, Rick,
is
where's
Rick
Rick?
here? Rick.
Rick.
Yeah,
Gina,
come on,
everybody,
come
on
and say
stage.
hello.
When you're chatting,
You can
these are the
see Rick
people
now, the moderator. One of
you're
the
chatting with.
Okay, so
Is our
there
24/7
are a couple other
moderator.
people who are
Doesn't
refusing to
sleep.
come on stage right now, but we just want to say thank you to the camera crews and the audio folks and everybody who's done such a good job helping us today.
Gina, you should
So
come
Gina.
here as well.
Yeah, Gina,
Come
come
on,
up, Gina.
All right,
Come on.
we will be back tomorrow. We're going to have even more content. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.
And this is Julian as well.